Good morning, everyone. Today I'm back with another one of the collection obsessions. I was going to call it an episode. Another episode of collection obsession. So I'm using, of course, the same collection, and this time I'm doing the twins' little brother, and he was just barely one, and he was sitting at the bottom of the Christmas tree, looking like, oh, should I take these off? And then he looked at Mom, and she didn't flip out, so of course he took one off. And he looks pretty pleased with himself right here. So I'm going to be scrapbooking these, and I'm going to put them all over to this one side so I can keep this embellishment, because I wanted them on the windows, and you can see this paper has all these windows, and like it's a store, and or it could be like, you know, their bay window here. So I want the one where he's definitely grabbing it, and oh no, these two here, these are going to be my bottom photos, because here's where it's like he gets Mom's approval, and here he's got it in his hand and he's quite pleased. So I'm gonna start it like this, and then she must have came around to get a better shot of him here. So I think I might put them all the way pretty close to the bottom, so that I have more of, you can see the little roof or whatever there. And I want to see a little bit of the tree. I mean, I would like to see more of the tree, but I want to keep the nutcracker here, and I want to keep this swag here. So that's kind of how I am deciding where I'm going to put these. And I got my ATG all filled again. Okay, I think I'm going to start right here, because I know I'm going to have to cover up one of his arms. Okay, and I think that's straight there. It looks like it. Yep. Okay, and then I'm going to put this one right next to it. Okay, and I must have got them a little bit closer, because I got a little bit more of the tree than what I had when I was designing it. Okay, I think that looks good there. And these I'm just going to put right above them. I kept trying to find a paper that I could have some embellishments around the outside and do a grid, but it was impossible with this collection. And I wanted to do it the same, since I got brother and sister on this paper collection. Okay. And I'm going to call it Wonder. And I cut these out from the, well, actually it's the same picture that I cut out the other letters. It's this one here from the 6x8, and so one side had the plaid and the other side had this snowflake. Okay, so I'm going to put Wonder, and because it's light, I'm going to use ground espresso and kind of highlight it around the edges so that we can see it just a little better. And this O is very curly. I think these. It looks like a flannel blanket with that little bit of extra ground espresso on it. So has everyone got their Christmas shopping done? I think I have. No, I have a couple more things I have to get. My daughter, she wants everybody to bring 3 gifts and then like of your favorite things. And that's what we're going to exchange. So that'll be something that we haven't done before. She might have done it maybe for some couples thing or, you know, with just friends. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. And since I take a long time doing this, I'll pause and be right back. Okay, I'm back and I got the title on. Just Wonder. I think that's super cute, especially for baby's first Christmas. And, oh yeah, and in the meanwhile, my husband came home and it's been a whole night painting my nails and everything. So I had to like re-look at everything. It's like, what was I doing? Okay, so I've got this giant cookie. Well, it's giant compared to, you know, all the other ones. And I'm gonna put that over here in this corner, right by Ashton. And I don't want to cover up the whole tree. I mean, it's like a lot of the trees are actually covered up by the pictures, so I do want that to show. And then I've got a little gingerbread cookie, so we got a little cookie cluster over here. And I've got this one up on dimensionals. Oh no, my fingernails don't work now. Okay. And so I'm just gonna, let's see, do I want him tilted this way or this way? I think I'm gonna tilt him this way. He'll kind of look like he's tugging on the back of Ashton's pajamas. Okay, and then I have a, what are they? Totally blanket it. Oh, a nutcracker. I forget what Alex used to call them. She was so funny. I forget what her mom was saying, what she used to call them. I'll have to think what it is or tell you a different time. She, the other day she had some, she gets some bucks for, you know, if they do their chores or whatever, and she bought a pink nutcracker. So, over at Michael's when we went there. Okay, so this one is taller than this one, but I'm going to put this one in front. It will look, you know, like they're a bunch, like there's a bunch of them lined up maybe. Okay. And then, this star right here is kind of hidden, so I decided I would just put a smaller one in front of that also. And I got it up on dimensionals as well. I did a lot of dimensionals on this page. Okay. Did I already get that one off? Oh, I forgot this one. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to center it so it will hang over the picture. And I like that because it gives it like a double star. Okay, and then right here where the swag is, I'm going to add to that. And so I'm putting the smaller one over here. So it'll look like it has more things hanging from here than what is here. And then I'm gonna put this cute stocking. I love these. The embellishments are just so pretty. I'll tell you, the paper companies, I think everything just gets more beautiful all the time, but I still like a lot of my old ones too. But it's amazing, the different ones, the different things they come up with. Okay, so you see here is the end, so I'm gonna hang this like it's on the end. And then in the center of that, I'm gonna put a bigger one. So it looks like there's layers of. Now you won't be able to see the big, or the one that's in the center, but so that way it looks like there's a bunch of them right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the same enamel dots, and this was the same year as the last ones I did, so I just thought it'd be cute if they were kind of similar, because I usually don't. Sometimes I don't even do them all the same, the same year, because you never know what you're working on. Well, I never know what I'm working on. Sometimes it's a big surprise to me. And let's see, maybe a little cluster by the presents. And I think I'll stick a few up in the evergreen area. I want it to look like they're running through there. Okay, I got 5. Is that good? I think that's good. And then, let's see, I do want some up here by the Wonder. I don't know where I want to put it. Maybe I'll kind of put a couple here. Where it's kind of, maybe like they're falling off the greenery there. And maybe one up in here. You know what? It looks like I need 3 over here. So I'm just gonna do that up here a little bit. And then stick another one over here. Yeah, that's it. All right. So there's Ashton. So I got the whole family there. And this was 2022, so I will be writing that on there too as soon as I find my marker. So remember, this is Collection Obsession, and everybody else who is playing will be listed down below, and you can pop over and see them as well. And I will be back. Let's see, I need to do at least one more of these, and then I still have my one from last month that I need to get some done on. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I will have close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.